Hi, English with Alisa. Today we are going to have a look on some prepositions which are too much confusing. While some prepositions have multiple uses, some of them are a little confusing. For example, let's take example of at, in, and on. So preposition for one of the prepositions at, let's take example how to use this at. For example, these three prepositions which we are discussing, they can indicate both time and place. For example, we can say at noon, at 2 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, at night, at 9:30 p.m. Likewise, in against to that, it can also indicate place. For example, at the door, at the airport, at the desk, at mall. At is used if we indicate time and use at for indicating time, then it is used for perfection of time, accuracy of time. It shows accurate time. When we say at 2 o'clock, the interview shall be conducted at 9 a.m. sharp. That means it shows accuracy of time. In against that, if we indicate place with at, so then we can say, for example, at the door, that is showing some desk, some deck. And except that, it also shows some public places. For example, I'm waiting you at the airport, at the railway station, at the park. So generally public places. Except that, one more usage of at is, it is used with small places, unknown places, villages, the places which are not famous, and small cities. For example, in contradiction to in, it is used for small places. In is used for bigger places. For example, I live in Kuala Lumpur. I live in Penang. I live at Worli. I live in Mumbai. I live in Paris. So for bigger places, always use in. For little places, for small places, always use at. Let's go to next preposition, in. In is also confusing. It is used for indicating time and also for indication of place. For example, in September, he lived there in 1987. I will come to you in winter. So in is also used for indicating time. Besides indicating time, in is also used for indicating place. For example, in the cotton, in a village, in a town, in a glass, etc. So in is used for both, indicating time, indicating place. Now, what about on? On is also used for both things. On is used for indicating time as well as indicating place. For example, on Friday, it is used for days. You cannot say at Friday, you cannot say in Friday. So you can say on the first day of the month, on the last day of the semester. Like these can be examples also for day names. But if we take, for example, if we take a month name, then you have to use in September, in January, in February, in March, in April, in June, in July. But on days, you can say, you don't have to say, don't get confused, you don't have to say on September. No. So for months use in, and for days use on. For example, on Friday, on Saturday, on Sunday, on Monday, on Wednesday. So like this. Except that, on is also used for indicating place, and on is also used for rest there. It shows rest, that something is on the rest. It is in resting place. For example, on the grass, on the shelf, on the wall, on the box, on the table, on the desk, on the window. So it is showing complete touch and rest. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.